Aloha, my name is Paolo Gamba and I am the president of the IEEE Geoscience and Remote Sensing Society. We are the main sponsor of the IGARSS Conference 2020, and together with the other sponsors that you see here on my left, we are organizing this conference for you. So the conference is starting next week, and my role here is to show you why and how we are going to provide you this conference. So let's start with what we have already. We have already 1,500 attendees that have been registered to this event. We have already 1,800 video presentations that are ready to be displayed, and therefore we have a full program on 8 days from September 26th to October the 2nd, which is going to run for the whole week and more. And this is what I'm going to provide you some hint in the next few slides. So let's start from the tutorials, which are going to run on September 26 and 27 on such interesting topics like machine learning and artificial intelligence, SAR interferometry and tomography, and GNSS reflectometry. So I think it's something which is worth considering if you don't have registered yet. Now, after that, what is there? We have the opening ceremony, and then we have 20 parallel sessions, as I already mentioned, which are going from Monday afternoon until Friday afternoon. And then we will have the closing ceremony. What's the opening ceremony? It's on Monday, Monday 28th, and it starts with some opening remarks. Those opening remarks will be by one of the general co-chair of the conference, Professor William Emery, by the president of IEEE, Professor Toshi Fukuda, and of course by myself. Then after the opening remarks, we will have 3 extremely interesting plenary lectures. One by Dr. Karen Saint-Germain of NASA, the second one by Dr. Stuart Minchin from the South Pacific community, and the third one by Dr. Haunani Kane, who is an NSF postdoctoral researcher at the University of Hawaii. And then after that, we will have the recognition of IEEE Fellows and the main GRSS awards. After the plenary session on Monday afternoon, we will start with 2 sessions per day, and those 2 sessions are at different times. The first session starts at 12 noon to 2 p.m. UTC. What does it mean? It really depends on where is your area and your time zone. So look at this table that you see with different colors in our website, in IGARSS website, and you will see exactly what it means for you going from 12 to 14. And here you have example for being in China, being in Pacific area, so Pacific time zone, western part of the United States, or in Central Europe. The second session will be after that, and a short break, so from 14:30 to 16:30 UTC. Again, the table here helps to understand what is the real time of your time zone. Now, after all this session, we will have the final closing ceremony on October 2nd from 16:45, again UTC. The closing ceremony will not just be a farewell, but it's fairly complicated. We will have more awards, the special awards, the publication awards, and last but not least, those which are extremely important for our students, the student paper competition results. And then after that, we will have the real end of the conference with the raffle, where we will provide monetary prizes to everybody who has been with us the whole week and has been able to answer all the questions about Hawaiian trivia that we will have during the week. And then after that, the handoff to IGARSS 2021 and eventually the farewell. So, in summary, we are waiting for you for this extremely interesting conference, as it says here, from September 26th to October 2nd, virtual conference. And we are hoping that you have already registered. If you have not registered, do it and tell your friends and colleagues to do it. It's only $10 and it allows you to attend the virtual conference for people in geoscience and remote sensing, so the IGARSS conference. So We hope that you will be able to join us, and we are waiting for you next week, starting September 26th with the tutorial, or at least September 28th with the opening ceremony at 12 UTC. Thank you very much.